Welcome to our tutorial on clients reporting, where you'll learn how to gain valuable insights into the performance of your clients. A client's report is a special type of report that shows the performance of your clients, including the time, income, and expenses for each client in a specific. Click the Report section in the main menu. Click the Clients tab in the header. Choose your date range from the calendar. Alternatively, you can select a predetermined date range, including today, this week, last week, this month, last month, this year. In the Clients report, you'll see a table view for all clients. If you want a visual report, simply click the Graph button. For more detailed insights, click the Details button. Here you'll find the team involved in the client engagement, projects performed for the client, tasks performed for the client. Now, let's discuss how to make a client performance assessment based on this report. Compare revenues, costs, and profits among clients to identify high and low performers. Identify clients consuming more resources than expected to optimize engagements. Use project data to determine prices for future engagements. And that's how you utilize the client's reporting feature to gain valuable insights into your client's performance. Happy analyzing!